guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to fix the Instagram feed is not refreshing. So the first thing you need to do is go to your navigator, and you need to test your connection of Ethernet. This is the connection of the Wi-Fi. Maybe your Wi-Fi is through problems like a problem of speed, but you can check this connection of the Wi-Fi. Your connection of the Wi-Fi, go to the speed test, the page of a speed test. You pick here, and you can start the test of the internet of your Wi-Fi. This is fast. The only thing you need to do is pick here and go, and you test your Ethernet, and you know if your connection of the Wi-Fi is functional very well or not. So after that, the only thing you need to do is go to the Play Store, and you need to verify if your application is got the ultimate actualization of the app. If in this button of open set update, you need to update the application, and maybe the problem can fix. So the last solution is go to the settings, and in settings you need to go to the option of app management. You need to go to the app management, and you can pick here an app list, and here you need to search the option of Instagram, and you can install the application and install again, and in that way maybe the problem is fixed. So this is these three solutions you can do if you got the problem of the feed is not refreshing. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.